Hidden costs of owning a Toyota. For decades, Toyota built a reputation that almost every American has heard before. Reliable, affordable, unbreakable. Millions of people trust Toyota vehicles because they believe they save money in the long run. And honestly, compared to many brands, Toyota still does a lot of things right. But in 2026, a growing number of Americans are discovering something surprising. Owning a Toyota may not be as cheap as people think, because behind the reputation, there are hidden costs nobody talks about. Why Toyota dominates America. In America, Toyota has become one of the most trusted car brands ever. Vehicles like the Toyota Corolla, Toyota Camry, and Toyota RAV4 dominate roads across the country. Families trust them, students buy them, Uber drivers depend on them, and for good reason. Many Toyotas last for years, have strong resale value, and usually avoid catastrophic problems. But reliability alone does not mean ownership is cheap. The price problem. One hidden cost many Americans notice immediately is the purchase price itself. Toyota vehicles have become expensive, very expensive. Because Toyota's reputation is so strong, dealers know people are willing to pay more. And in recent years, demand exploded. That means many buyers pay above MSRP, dealer markups, expensive add-ons, higher financing costs, especially for popular vehicles like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. High insurance costs. Another hidden cost. Insurance. Many Americans assume Toyotas are cheap to insure. Sometimes they are, but not always. In certain cities and states, insurance premiums for Toyotas have increased dramatically. Why? Because some Toyota models are stolen frequently, expensive to repair, and packed with advanced sensors and technology. Even a small accident can become surprisingly expensive. Hybrid battery fears. Toyota hybrids are incredibly popular in America. Cars like the Toyota Prius became symbols of fuel efficiency, and many hybrid owners save huge amounts on gasoline. But there's still one fear many buyers quietly worry about: battery replacement. Toyota hybrid batteries can last a long time, but when replacement becomes necessary, costs can become stressful, especially for older vehicles with high mileage. Expensive dealer maintenance. Another hidden cost comes after buying the vehicle. Dealer maintenance. Many Toyota owners only service their vehicles at dealerships, and dealership prices can become surprisingly high. Oil changes, brake service, fluid replacements, electronic diagnostics. Small maintenance visits slowly add up over time. And because modern Toyotas are filled with technology, repairs are becoming more complex than older Toyota models. The tech problem. Modern Toyotas are no longer simple economy cars. Today's models include cameras, lane assist systems, radar sensors, giant infotainment screens, advanced electronics. And while these features improve safety, they also increase repair costs. Something as small as a damaged sensor can suddenly cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The used Toyota market, 73845. One of the strangest problems in America's car market is how expensive used Toyotas have become. Because people trust Toyota reliability, used prices stay incredibly high. And in some cases, a used Toyota costs almost as much as a newer vehicle. That creates a difficult situation for buyers. People want reliability, but they may end up overpaying for older cars. Why people still buy Toyota? So after all these hidden costs, why do Americans still buy Toyota? Because despite the expenses, Toyota still delivers something many brands struggle to provide: peace of mind. Many owners believe paying more upfront is worth it if the car lasts 200,000 miles, 300,000 miles, or even longer. And compared to some unreliable competitors, Toyota ownership can still save money in the long run. The real truth. The truth is, Toyota ownership is not cheap anymore. But many Americans continue choosing Toyota because they fear something worse: expensive breakdowns. For millions of drivers, paying more for reliability feels safer than gambling on cheaper vehicles. And that's exactly why Toyota remains one of the strongest brands in America. Toyota still builds some of the most trusted vehicles in America. But in 2026, the hidden costs of ownership are becoming harder to ignore. Higher prices, expensive technology, insurance increases, dealer costs. And yet, millions of Americans still believe Toyota is worth every dollar. But what do you think? Would you still buy a Toyota in 2026? Comment below. And subscribe for more real stories about cars, money, and the hidden truth behind the American auto industry.